Hi, it's Jennifer here at Live Little, and we're talking about picnics. It's a great time of year for that. Finally, the weather is broke, and we're doing a little pasta salad. Everyone knows how to just mix up a bunch of different things and create a pasta salad, so I'm not going to bore you with chopping and all, but we wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the pastas that we have here at the store. Instead of just getting a regular grocery store pasta, we have some really nice flavored pastas with some really pretty shapes. And this particular pasta salad we're making is a lemon parsley pasta salad, and we have two types of lemon parsley pasta, one which is gluten-free and the other which is not. So we have here first our normal non-gluten-free, just the typical pasta, and it's a malfadine, so it's got a really pretty little ruffle to it, okay? Lemon and parsley, really good, nice little combination, really refreshing for the summer. And then gluten-free, we have a lemon parsley trumpet, so a little kind of trumpet shape here for all of you who are trying to stay away from wheat. But we are working with the regular standard lemon parsley pasta, and you can see the color changes a little, not very much, and it's really pretty and ruffly. So I've already pre-cooked it, and we're just going to mix it up really quick and show you what the salad looks like. So we've got the lemon parsley malfadine, peas, and these are just frozen peas, and I love the bird's eye fresh baby green peas that are frozen. They're really sweet. Those would be the ones I'd suggest you use for that. And then some Vidalia onion chopped. If you don't want to use Vidalia onion and you want to use a little green onion instead, or a little scallion, go for it, you can do that. And then a little bit of lemon zest, fresh lemon zest. The pasta definitely has a parsley lemon flavor to it, but if you love lemon, you can never get enough. You should add some zest. And then black olives, sliced black olives, really easy. You buy them already sliced in the grocery store. And it adds a nice color, nice contrast to the green pasta. Okay. Then we're going to add our olive oil and vinegar, and we're using our Meyer lemon extra virgin olive oil and our lemon white balsamic. So the salad's going to have a touch of sweetness to it. Really yummy. Then we're also going to add some cheese. This is Euphoria, which is a sheep smoked cheese, an aged sheep smoked cheese. It's been aged for 2 years. It's a newer cheese that we're carrying here in the store, and it's been really popular. The texture isn't quite as hard as a Parm, but really, really flavorful, and adds a really nice flavor with the lemon and parsley. Here we go, really pretty. And I'd make the pasta salad probably an hour ahead of time anyways and let it sit for a while and stir it a couple times, okay? And then I always love adding fresh herbs. It always adds a huge difference to anything that you're cooking. And so we have parsley, of course, because this is lemon parsley. And we're gonna add a little basil as well. If you are not eating the salad right away, I would wait and add the basil last minute, because if it sits in the pasta salad, anything like that, fresh basil, it starts getting a little black looking, and it tastes fine, but it doesn't look as nice. So make sure that you toss the basil last. All right, and here we go. It's that easy, that easy. It makes a great picnic salad on a table, on the boat. And I love the fresh peas with it. So you can find the recipe on our website at alivelittle.com. Lemon parsley pasta salad. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.